I'm now going to show you how to make a single crochet decrease. As I've already told you for the increase as well, I'm in my patterns I'm only performing increases and decreases using single crochet, and this is why this is the only technique I'm showing in my tutorials. So to perform a decrease basically means to work 2 stitches together to create one unique stitch, thus decreasing the total number of stitches in your row by -1. And okay, the technique I'm going to show you now is just my favorite. There are several other ones that you could choose. So as usual, I add 1 chain at the end of the previous row, and then let's say that I want to make the decrease on these 2 stitches here, so I will make 1 normal single crochet on the first and on the last stitch. So let's make this first single crochet, and then to perform the decrease I insert the hook under the first stitch, yarn over, and I pull through, and then I do the same for the second stitch on which I want to perform the decrease. So I insert the hook, I yarn over, I pull through, and then I yarn over and I pull through one more time through all the loops I have on my hook. And then I work 1 normal single crochet for the last stitch. And now I can count, and I see that indeed I have now only 3 stitches in my row. As I was telling you, for the increase, you can't see too much from the texture, especially when working with thinner yarn, the change in the texture while making this kind of decrease. However, it still deforms your work in this direction. So if you're working in rows and your count is not correct, never perform an increase or decrease or severals even to get your count correct, because you will deform your work.